All right, guys, so a lot of pilots and flight attendants have been asking me what do I do to stay in shape, and this is key right here. Besides working out, this is 90% of what I do to stay in shape. So let's start with what I got going on here. I made a little salad, all right? It's got some vegetables in there with some tomatoes, some olive oil. Over here, I have some fruits, mandarins with banana, some celery. It's important to have the vegetables, which are your complex carbohydrates, and your healthy fats. Over here, I have an avocado. Over here, I have my lean protein, which is lean pork tenderloins. So on this side, I got some lean ground beef. I'm just adding a little bit of flavor there. So that was some onions, and I'm gonna give here some bell peppers, just sprinkle that stuff all the way around. And on this side, I gotta flip it over, but are cooking my pork tenderloins. So this is gonna be my main source of protein along with the ground beef, and I'm gonna have that accompanied with my healthy fats, complex carbs, and for a snack I'm gonna have those bomb ass sandwiches. All right, let's talk about the carbohydrate portion that I have from my meal here. And we have a mixture here of simple carbs, which are your fruits. The reason why they're simple carbs is because your body can simply break them down, and they're still in sugar molecules that your body can easily break down. Now, when you have the more complex carbs, such as your vegetables, the key is they're non-starchy complex carbs. It just takes a little bit longer for your body to digest. As the name implies, it's complex. So it's kind of sense as it's going through the whole metabolism process, it's kind of giving you energy in increments, okay, with those complex carbs. You find complex carbs that are non-starchy in vegetables, all right? So I have a mixture here. Obviously, there's a lot more vegetables than what you see here, but this is what I got going on for this week. So the broccoli with the celery, and inside the salad, I got the tomatoes with some carrots, kale, healthy fats, all right? So with the healthy fats, I try to incorporate a healthy fat in every meal. There's a bunch of fats that we can talk about: trans, polysaturated, polyunsaturated, saturated, but we're gonna focus on these saturated fats for this meal. So I have my avocado, which is a great source of healthy fat. Olive oil, which I put on my salad, is a great source of healthy fats. And for snacks, almonds and pistachios are also a great source of healthy fats. So try to incorporate healthy fats, complex carbs in the majority of your meals. Try to stay away from the simple carbs late at night, okay? Because your body it's going to turn that into glucose, and if you don't use it for energy, it's just gonna store as fat. So I have these fruits in the morning, and then the complex carbs throughout the rest of the day. All right, so for the protein portion of my meal preps, I'm having some lean ground turkey and some pork tenderloins. And I use coconut oil to cook because it's a very healthy fat and a good source of oil to cook with. It's very good when you cook it with medium heat, and it stays less farther away from it actually turning into a trans fat, which is when you cook with certain oils like canola oil and you bring it to such a high heat, it becomes a trans fat, which is the fat that's really, really bad for your body. Thought I was gonna leave you without showing you how I pack it. Here it is on the Tupperware, and I have my 2-bags lunchbox. It all fits in there, and there's actually a little compartment for you to put ice packs in there to keep your food nice and cool. Hope this video helps. Now it's your turn.